Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So today I want to do a thank you to Andrea J. She is a one of my membership peeps, and I was surprised the other day I got this in the mail. So I wanted to just show you guys because it really meant a lot to me, and I'm really excited to kind of use it. So let me move my stuff out of the way. I don't think we need all that. I didn't know that was under there. And she sent this beautiful card. I'm going to turn autofocus off because, well, we all know why. Okay. Look how pretty. Look how pretty the card is. And she wrote a really nice note. And then I got some orange and black tissue paper, which I was like, thank you. You know me too well. And look. Ugh. So, of course, when I saw my son's name, I was just... Veronica had sent me stuff too for Jared. Quite a few of you have with his name on it, but it just struck me because I've been very emotional lately, and it just struck me, and it just meant a lot. So we got a guitar, a smile, sun, sand, and sea, and like this is to open, and believe, just beautiful, and all the colors I love and love. And then you open it. Oh, I just love it. I don't want to do it too much, but I'm going to be using it. And then she put little doodads. I don't want to take everything out yet until I go to start it. Look. Breathe. Breathe in, pause, breathe out, continue until you feel your darkness leaving. Breathe. I mean, how beautiful. True comfort is found in the warmth of memory. Look at this. I can't wait to work in this. Look how cute. I don't want to. Oh, come here, sis. All right. Look at this. Look how cute this is. And then this has different things in it. I'm not going to take everything out. Little skeletons and hands, skulls. Look how cute. She likes a margarita pizza. Look at this, how cute, little skull dancing. All the stuff that went into doing that. Look at this. What I'm going to use for spider webs is a stencil. And then more stuff. Click your heels. Look how cute. Look at this. Look at that. Alcohol ink. And then, I mean, look at this. Look how gorgeous that is. Paper bag. Paper bag. So yeah, so this is just beautiful. And then if you see here, it says Dave, Kelly, and Emily. So it's just gorgeous. I'm so in love with it, and I'm so thankful. And like I said, I'm going to work in it because I have to. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys and thank Andrea, and just to say thank you. This is just absolutely awesome, and the work that went into it is amazing, and your thoughts for my family and that kind of thing, and I just love it. I just love it with techniques I love, and love eternal. It just, oh gosh, I'm sure as I keep going through I'll find little things, but I just wanted to thank you, Andrea. Why do I keep saying Angela? It's because I was watching The Office. Andrea, I adore you, and we'll be doing our live stream soon, I promise. I just am grateful. And if you're interested in my membership, to be part of my membership, the link is down below. Go ahead, check it out. And I just love you guys. Andrea, thank you so very much. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.